I can't see anyone.
Nope.
I had an engagement over here a minute earlier. Haven't seen him leave.
No. He's still over there?
I believe so. I got no eyes though.
Yeah, I was gonna say we're not supposed to be returning, I guess.
Where are they coming from?
Josh.
Thank you.
Josh. No firing?
So, we got 2 white hats coming in. If they're surrounded, get fired, take them out. Coming in right now.
Basically, we're gonna watch these guys.
We won't kill you, just let our guys come in.
So that makes left side of Maelstrom. Yes. Be advised.
Alright. White hats! 12 o'clock!
On the field. I will let you know when it goes active.
So
Do you want me to move up and then try to escort them back a bit?
I'm gonna go with you.
Roger.
Right behind you.
Contact!
Our guys come in.
Stand down.
That's a yellow right there.
Yeah.
Going to Maelstrom.
I just wait.
As of right now, red is solo. We do not provide support to blue or yellow.
Hey! Red, don't shoot yellow.
You got two red, white helmets moving in. All right?
Yeah, we got transport coming in, and then we gotta get out.
Is it clear for me to run around the building?
Yeah, go. You don't mind if I push down, do you?
Red coming in, don't shoot. All right, we're coming in, over.
Red! 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 Red!
Red's coming in Maelstrom right now.
Hey guys, be advised, that bridge! Hey, that bridge, you got shooting going over that bridge. Hold on. Guys, yeah.
UN!
That fucking AK is gorgeous, man.
Yeah.
That really, I was wondering how it would sound.
Is that electric blowback?
I think he's got a, I don't know about his blowback, but I believe green gas. Run, in. Watch fire, watch fire.
Yeah, watch out.
Hey, back around this way. We don't want to go in front of him. We have this.
We gotta get to the.
Guys, you might have contacts back there, okay?
Yep, after that. You already have my contacts for like the fucking
So many people are shooting at me. I'm starting to feel like I'm attractive.
Remember, this is part of the courtesy thing, but this is also real life. When you're trying to move out of accommodation,
Contact.
you're going to be punching and using a part. Every time you do that, you're going to be dropping him into the ground.
Yep.
A solid stretcher would be a better idea right now. If you don't have it, use this. But remember, you have to keep that punt.
Let's do it.
Okay? So better slow as fast. Okay?
We need at least one person to go in, get them out, bring them over.
Also, can you walk with just one person?
Well,
hey, you're going to be helping, right?
Yeah, all right.
I'm
You
an
know
engineer, so can I do this? I am technically an engineer.
Go for it.
Okay.
I'm going to put yours on my sling
You're going to hold yours?
and then hold mine. So I'm going to be a little immobile with this swinging.
All right,
For
do
the
not.
sake-
If you guys
Sorry.
don't hold guns, I can hold guns.
I'm security. I don't think I'm helping you guys move.
Yeah, white hats can only move, but you.
Yeah, I'm gonna just, you know, if you don't want it been dangling around, I can hold it.
Josh, what is our status?
I'm right here, guy. We're moving Civvy out on a stretcher. We're gonna move him out.
Oh, they're moving him now.
That right there is just a seat pad.
Okay.
Has to sit in
Oh, Eric, did Larry sign a waiver this morning before we start doing this?
Yeah. All right.
We're going to provide support for this. Make way!
So we're gonna have his feet here. Lay down.
Reardon, bring your guy here. I got my medic right here.
Come here. Sorry. It's on you?
No, him.
Right here? You covering that? Beautiful. We're safe, kid.
All right, let me know when you guys are out.
6,
I'm going to stay here for a bit.
7,
Follow behind, all right?
8.
Go.
You guys let that yellow right in past you guys.
Oh, he was dead.
No,
17, 18.
out.
You guys just walked right next to
Hey, yo, 12 o'clock, about 40 yards. 40 yards or 40 feet,
Got
son.
second reload.
Yards.
Okay, that's a long feet. That's a long shot. Fuck feet.
And what is your location?
I'll take rounds. Oh shit.
Okay, let's move over. We gotta make sure he can fall back.
Yellow! This is red! We are moving out! We are not looking to be hostile!
My voice. It's all covered. Roger that. Over.
I repeat, yellow, we are not hostile. We are red, moving in.
You're good. I'm with them.
All right.
And I got Jacob's gun.
You win, you win. You win, coming through with injured. Doing it good.
Should we take a detachment on? Should we take a detachment on the side in case they change their mind?
Hey, is he actually your grandfather? And up for real?
Oh, he's got a shot of this. Let me get a shot.
Go.
Excuse me, Savannah. I want to get a shot of this.
Keep it,
You win. You win. Coming out.
moving out.
Keep them up.
We need more people in front of them so they don't get shot.
Get that twig out.
Yep, we're good.
Alrighty.
Once it opens up, I agree.
What's the sign, guys?
You win.
You win, coming through injured. Spread out, guys. Spread out, fan out, red. You're bothering me. You're bothering me.
Alright. So where exactly are we going with it?
I think we just got an orange, correct?
No,
Where we're going now? Come up here.
Yeah.
Bring them up by the sign.
That's it, put goggles on.
You're gonna go to the grassy area across the way.
Alright, so out of bounds?
Somebody want to radio back?
If anybody has a gun, put your barrel back on now, mag out. Or give it to someone else.
NPC in transit.
What?
You want to take it again?
Making a joke. Actually, right now.
Let's get out of his line of fire.
Going this way.
We are gonna go that way.
Be careful of the school. Be careful of the school.
Roy, I have your gun.
Is it holstered?
Thank you.
Yes. Alright. Just come back.
Oh, that. Okay, that's why.
Guys, move away from yellow. If we're engaged, we have to fire upon blue. Back away from yellow.
Hey, where are you guys taking us? I think right here should be good. Ryan, I got enough. We can chill here. We got a piece right there. I got enough piece.
Yeah, so we got a piece here. I know where there's more pieces. If anybody else knows,
Anyone on salvage recovery? We have a piece over here by Maelstrom exit near Orange Face.
Okay.
Yeah, we're sending.
Red team medical. Savannah,
Guys are coming in.
you.
Spread out a little
Let's get
bit. We don't
let's
wanna
get
be
out of here a
ducks.
little
We got
bit.
Yellow come in behind.
They're gonna be here for a minute. We
Yes.
have guys. We have no objective until he gets back, and then we need to start roaming for more NPCs in the meantime.
No objective until NPC team has returned.
And then, well, that's just for medical. Anyone who's scavenging for pots can go.
Well, the pot is right there.
Okay.
So there is an objective.
All right. So guys, we can't really pull security for them because it's not our job, and if they get fired on, that gets us into something so far away from our objective. Let's branch off a bit.
We just finished our objective?
No, not at all. That was objective 1.
has to keep going.
Let's go a little out of the way so we can keep an eye on them, and if they actually need it, then we're fucking it.